Hello and welcome to another edition of Tudor Talks. I'm Gabe Tudor, proud superintendent at Worcester City Schools, and I hope this message is finding you all well, enjoying your summer. There's definitely still a lot of summer left, but at the same time, the start of the school year is coming closer, and thought it might be good to share some information and reminders with all of you. We've had a great summer preparing for your arrival and are really excited to get our kids back and start the next school year, but again, not trying to rush anybody's summer off. Some announcements and reminders. Wanted to share the open house schedule, which does occur before the start of school. Remember, the start of school is August 16th. In terms of open house schedule, Worcester High School's open house for incoming 8th graders and any new student to Worcester High School is Tuesday, August 1st from 6 to 7 p.m. The Littlest General's preschool open house is Monday, August 14th from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Open house for students entering grades 1 through 4 is also on Monday, August 14th from 6 to 7 p.m. at each elementary building. Cornerstone, in addition, is hosting a back-to-school picnic prior to the start of their open house at 5:30 outside at Cornerstone. Edgewood Middle School is having open house on Tuesday, August 15th. Grade 5 is from 5 to 6 p.m. and grades 6 and 7 will be at 6 p.m. to 7. Open house at Worcester High School for grades 9 through 12 is also on Tuesday, August 15th from 6 to 7 p.m. All of this information is also available on the individual school websites where you can obviously confirm the things that I've shared today. And finally, an open house and ice cream social for our kindergarten students is Sunday, August 20th from 2 to 3 p.m. at each elementary school. I would encourage everyone to take advantage of this open house to meet teachers and building administration and just learn more about what it will look like as your student starts a new school year. Another reminder is that we definitely have had a lot of athletes and people in music and other things working hard over the summer. Officially, most practices for fall sports and other activities will start either July 31st or at least the week of July 31st. Please make sure that you have your physicals on file and final forms, as that will be a requirement for anybody in order to participate. Lastly, I know that you have probably seen we've sent a lot of information out over the summer and even last school year regarding transportation and the importance of filling out final forms. So to help our routing be more accurate to start the school year, we are requiring all students to have their final forms updated by August 1st. That will allow us 2 full weeks to make any adjustments to our routes so that we can specifically share accurate information with each family. That doesn't mean that we won't provide transportation throughout the year if you don't fill it out by August 1st, but we won't be able to guarantee, at least for the first few days of school, that you would have bus transportation. So please go to the final forms, indicate whether you need transportation and what address that is so that we can plan accordingly. I hope this message finds you well. We are excited to continue to serve your students in the upcoming school year, and have a great rest of your summer.